I will be using my In My Dreams collection, and this collection has 4 beautiful colors, and each gel has a matching nail lacquer. Amethyst Clouds is a magenta lilac, Dreams Come True is a lilac lavender, Dreamcatcher is a lilac opal, and Sweet Dreams is a deep periwinkle. Sanitize your hands with Sanitize, 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 available in peach and gardenia. Apply a thin coat of Flawless foundation so your gel polish doesn't peel around the edges. Nice long strokes. Nice thin layer. Doesn't need a lot, just a little bit. Cure 30 seconds in your Mighty Mini LED, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply Dreamcatcher to all the nails, and this is a lilac opal. This will be the nail bed color. It is so pretty. Nice long strokes, cover the entire nail. I don't need to cap the tip because I will be doing that when I do my French. Nice long strokes. Oh, I love this color. This color is beautiful all by itself or as the nail bed color. Love this. This is also beautiful in the nail lacquer. You can match your toes. Get it just how you like it. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Pour a small amount of Clean It in your glass dapping dish. This is to clean up the smile line, and I will be using my Jelligans flat gel brush and a towelette. My first color is Amethyst Clouds. This is the magenta lilac. I love this color. I'm going to cap the tip first. Then I'm going to start my smile line in the center, brushing towards the tip. Then I'm going to create my smile line by starting in the corner, swooping across. Start in the corner, swoop across, clean it up a little bit, smooth it out a little bit. There we go. Get a little bit of Clean It. Just perfect my smile line. There we go. There we go. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to use Dreams Come True, the lilac lavender. Again, cap the tip first. And start brushing towards the tip. And start your smile. Swoop. Smile. Swoop. Brush it out. Clean up your smile with your Clean It, your little brush. Now I'm going to apply Sweet Dreams, the deep periwinkle. Cap the tip. And brush out towards the tip. Create your smile and swoop it across towards the center. Start in the corner, swoop across towards the center. Brush it out. And clean up your smile. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of Amethyst Clouds. This can be nice and thin. Brush it across the tip. Make your smile, swoop it across. You're just following the line that you've already done. Just to deepen the color up a little bit. Get it nice and even. Nice. Now I'm going to do Dreams Come True. Again, nice and thin. Don't need a lot since we already have our first coat on. This is just to deepen our color, make it more rich. Smooth it out. Nice and smooth. Now I'm going to apply Sweet Dreams. Brush it out towards the tip. Create your smile. Swoop it towards the center. Start at the corner, swoop it towards the center. Smooth it out. Super easy. Got this one a little bit thick. I'm going to wipe off just a little bit here. There we go. Make sure to move all the gel away from the front of your lamp, because if it's in front of your lamp, the gel will start curing in the bottle. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply Flawless Finish, a super high gloss top gel for gel polish. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Don't get too much on there. There we go. Cap the tip. Nice long strokes. Cap the tip. Make sure you get the whole nail covered. Make sure you don't have too much on your brush. Nice long strokes. So easy and so pretty, and I love this collection. Such a beautiful spring summer collection. Clean up around the edge a little bit there. Cure 30 seconds in your Mighty Mini LED, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to clean off my nails with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. This feels so good. And it's really good for your cuticles and your natural nails. I usually use oil about 3 times a day. Now you have your In My Dreams French manicure. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.